Okay, let's jump right in. Today we're doing a deep dive on a really specific piece of broadcast tech.
A very specific piece.
It's the tvONE CV-3GSDI-2IN-FF CORIOview. That's a mouthful. It's a dual 3G SDI input module.
Right. And if you ever wondered what really makes professional video, professional, the answer is hiding in the specs of gear, just like this.
So what's the big picture here? What does this thing actually do?
Well, think of the main CorioView unit as a big, powerful server just for video. This module is a specialized plug-in card for it.
A plug-in card.
Exactly. Its whole job is to let that main system take in and manage super high-quality SDI video signals. So our mission today is to decode these technical specs and figure out what broadcast-grade quality actually means for you, the viewer.
Perfect. So function and form, I see it provides 2 channels of input.
Yep, 2 inputs, and they connect via those female BNC connectors, the standard for pro video.
Now, you can't just pop this in and out like a USB stick, can you? The source material says it's factory fitted. What's the significance of that?
That's a huge detail. It means signal integrity is everything. The module has to be perfectly calibrated to the main chassis right from the start.
No room for error.
None. You need that absolute stability, especially because it's built to handle so much range from the newer 3G SDI all the way down to older HD and even standard def signals.
I'm seeing a bunch of standards listed here. SMPTE 259MC, 292M, 424M. To most people, that's just alphabet soup.
It looks like it, but it's non-negotiable in this world.
So what does it mean for the engineer on the ground?
It means guaranteed bulletproof compatibility. Adhering to those SMPTE standards ensures that this $1,000 card can talk flawlessly to a $10,000 camera and a $100,000 switcher.
Regardless of the brand?
Any brand, anywhere in the world, it literally defines the electrical DNA of the signal.
Got it. And that DNA sets the speed limit. For 3G SDI, we're talking a max resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second.
Which is beautiful, but it also handles all the legacy stuff, 525 line SD, 720p, 1080i for HD. Total flexibility.
Okay, so here's where I think we get to the aha moment.
Yeah.
The specs that really define that quality.
This is it. Let's start with color. The module supports 4.2.2 color subsampling.
Which is a big step up from the 4.2.0 you usually see in consumer video.
A huge step. 4.2.2 retains twice as much color information. That's why, a live sports broadcast looks so crisp and the colors don't get all blocky during fast motion.
And the color depth is just astronomical.
It really is. We're talking about a 20-bit color coding resolution.
20. Most high-end consumer stuff tops out at 8-bit, maybe 10-bit.
Exactly. And the jump from 10-bit to 20-bit isn't just double, it's an exponential leap. It's the difference between a smooth gradient on a sunset and one that has visible, ugly bands in it.
So that's crucial for any kind of post-production or color grading.
Absolutely critical. And the last piece of the puzzle is signal integrity. They specify that jitter is less than 0.1 UI.
Jitter is basically timing errors in the signal.
That's a great way to put it. It's tiny instability. If that number creeps up even a little bit, your signal starts to break up, you get glitches. Keeping it that low is a guarantee of a flawless feed.
A guarantee you pay for. Which brings us to the price. It's listed at $1,040.
Right, and that includes a 24-month warranty. You're not just buying a circuit board, you're buying that guaranteed performance, that lack of jitter.
And this is just one piece of a much larger puzzle, right? This is a modular system.
It is. This really highlights the ecosystem. If you need 4 inputs instead of 2, you can get the 4X SDI module for $1,665. Or if you need a specialized Zoom output module, that's over $2,200.
So broadcasters are building these systems out piece by piece to their exact needs.
Perfectly tailored.
Okay, so to sum this up, what this module really does is translate complex video signals into a usable, ultra-high-quality digital stream. It protects that quality using strict standards, massive color depth, and almost non-existent jitter.
That's the core of it. It's the gatekeeper of fidelity for every single feed coming into the system. Which leaves us with a final thought to mull over.
Let's hear it.
Given the very specific nature and, the high cost of each of these individual modules, over $1,000 for just one plug-in, what do you think the total complexity and the final price tag must be for a fully customized CorioView chassis built for a major broadcast network? Something to think about.